Okay, here's a trick with a chopstick. Alright, so we got a chopstick here. I take the cap off, throw it, and it jumps back to the chopstick. Yeah. Alright, so let's talk about this trick. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take a chapstick. This is a chapstick brand chapstick. Okay, it's got the white cap, the white bottom, and on the inside of it, your chapstick. And on the bottom of it, what we've done here is I've taken a marker, a red marker, and I have colored in the bottom of the inset of the bottom here. Now, so you take your marker, go around, and color it. Okay, sometimes you'll have numbers on the bottom of these chapsticks. Before you even start, take a little X-Acto knife or a little blade or whatever, and just scratch off the numbers. Then take your marker, and then just color in the bottom. So what ends up happening is it looks like this is an open chapstick, but it's not. Okay, so that's the illusion that is created with this effect, which is pretty dope, because all you got to do is you have this in your pocket and you're good to go. Alright, you got another effect in your pocket, good to go. You will all need to get familiar or comfortable with doing this little foot move here. So I'm holding the chapstick between my thumb and my first finger like this, and my middle finger is just going to kick it over, and my first finger helps revolve and rotate it. Okay, so as you do this, you'll get quicker. I'm doing it with my right hand. You can try it with your left hand if you like. I'm not as quick with my left hand, although it feels more comfortable for me to come over and pretend to take it off with my right hand and then just throw it to make it look like it popped back on. But I'm quicker with my right hand. So as you are ready to do this, you've got the chapstick. You come over, and as your left hand, or my left hand, is coming over, I'm just kicking this over. Okay, so that gets like this. I've done the move. I mime taking the cap off, and then I'm going to mime throwing the cap here. Okay, nothing here, obviously. And as I do, I'm just going to do the move again. Okay, so that's really all there is to it. Something you might want to play around and toy with, or maybe not. I don't know. But it's cool because you can just have this in your pocket, and you're good to go. And that's really all there is to it, guys. And that trick is called Redline. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.